So right here we're looking at linear inequalities in two variables. And we know that is an inequality that can be written in the following forms. Ax plus by is less than c. Ax plus by is less than or equal to c. Ax plus by is greater than c. And ax plus by is greater than or equal to c. Alright. Here we look an ordered pair. xy is the solution of a linear inequality if the x and y values make the inequality true. Solutions for inequality lie on a solid line and in the shaded region, not on a dashed line or in the non-shaded region. Example, in the ordered pair negative 6, 2, the solution of y is greater than or equal to 3x minus 9. Plug in negative 6, 2, plug in 2 for y, and negative 6 for x. You multiply negative 6 times 3, get negative 18 minus 9. We know that negative 27 here is going to be less than or equal to 2, so it's less than 2. Alright, right here we look 0, 1. And we're going to plug in that for 2x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 5. So we say 2 times 0 is 0, 3 times 1 is 3. 3 is not greater than 5. 4, negative 1 is yes. We plug in 4 for x, negative 1 for y. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 is greater than or equal to 5. Now we'll look at graphing a linear inequality. Step 1. Graph the inequality using slope-intercept form. Before connecting the points, decide between a solid or dashed line. And these less than or equal to or greater than or equal to are solid, less than or greater than or dashed. Decide which side of the line to shade, above or below. The solution is the half plane created by the shading. Alright, so below would be above would be greater than or equal to, below would be less than or equal to. So right here we're going to graph y is less than 2x. So we know our m is 2 and our b is 0. We start at 0, 0. Go up 2 over 1. You keep going. Down 2 over 1. Alright. And we know our line is dashed because it does not have equal to sign. And then it's less than, so it's going to be below. Alright, our next one. We got 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 4. So we subtract 2x from both sides. I get y is greater than or equal to negative 2x plus 4. So we know that our slope is negative 2 and our b is 4. Since we have a greater than or equal to sign, it's going to be a solid line, and it's greater than, so it's going to be up. So we graph our equation. Start at positive 4. We go down 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1. We get our line. Alright, and then it's above it. The next one. I'm going to solve this for y. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. I get 5y greater than or equal to negative 2x plus 10. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. Y is greater than or equal to negative 2 over 5x plus 2. So my m is negative 2 over 5. My b is 2. Since it's greater than or equal to, it's going to be a solid. And since it's greater than, it's going to go up. Alright, so let's graph it. I'm going to start on 2. Alright, we know our slope, so we're going to go down 2 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 2 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we know it's solid. it's up. Alright. Number 3. I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. Get negative y is less than negative 2x plus 4 divided by negative 1. It's going to cause my inequality sign to flip over. It gives me 2x minus 4. Change my signs. So right here I know that m is equal to 2 and b is negative 4. And I know it's going to be dashed. And it's going to be, oh, we flipped it.
Who are you talking to?
Up. Alright. Because it's greater than, it's going to be up after we flipped it. So now we go to negative 4 on our graph. Alright, we're going to go up 2 over 1. 2 over 1. Down 2 over 1. And we know it's a dashed line, so I'll draw a dashed line and a shade above it. So all my answers are in my shaded region.